In this video, you'll learn the essentials of text preprocessing in natural language processing, including tokenization, stop word removal, and text normalization using Python. By the end, you'll be equipped to build your own robust preprocessing pipeline. Welcome to our video on building a text preprocessing pipeline in Python. Did you know that the quality of your data can significantly impact your model's performance? Text preprocessing is a crucial step in natural language processing, NLP, that helps enhance data quality, leading to better learning and more efficient algorithms. In this video, we'll dive deep into the essentials of text preprocessing, exploring various techniques and tools to ensure your NLP models perform at their best. Text preprocessing acts as a cleaning and preparation phase for your data. It is essential for improving the accuracy of NLP models by reducing noise and irrelevant information. Effective preprocessing enables better feature extraction, which in turn supports various NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis, entity recognition, and topic modeling. By streamlining your data, you ensure that your models focus on the most relevant information, resulting in better performance and more reliable outcomes.
Tokenization is the process of breaking down text into smaller units, such as words or phrases. This step is crucial for analyzing words and recognizing patterns within the text. Tokenization supports language models by allowing them to understand and process text at a granular level. There are various methods to tokenize text, including word tokenization, subword tokenization, and sentence tokenization. Each method serves different purposes, and choosing the right one depends on your specific NLP task.
Stop words are common words like the, is, and that often do not add significant meaning to the text. Removing these words can reduce the size of your data and improve the focus of your model on more meaningful terms. This step enhances feature extraction by eliminating noise and allowing models to concentrate on the most relevant words. You can use customizable stop word lists to tailor this process according to your data and language requirements.
Stemming and lemmatization are techniques used to reduce words to their root forms. While stemming is faster and involves trimming words to a base form, it can sometimes result in non-dictionary words. Lemmatization, on the other hand, is more accurate as it reduces words to their meaningful base forms by considering the context. Choosing between stemming and lemmatization depends on the requirements of your NLP project and whether speed or accuracy is more crucial for your model. Punctuation and special characters often add little value to text analysis and can interfere with data processing. Removing these elements helps clean the text data and enhances data consistency. This step is crucial for text analysis, especially when dealing with large datasets. You can automate the removal of punctuation and special characters using Python scripts, making the process efficient and scalable for extensive NLP projects. Normalizing text data involves standardizing text to improve uniformity and consistency. This process often includes converting text to lowercase to handle case sensitivity and ensure that words like Python and Python are treated as the same. Normalization is essential for consistent and accurate analysis, especially when dealing with diverse datasets. By normalizing your text data, you ensure that your NLP models can process and analyze information effectively without being skewed by variations in text input.
Python libraries such as NLTK and SPA-SCI offer powerful tools for text preprocessing in NLP. These libraries support various preprocessing tasks like tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, and lemmatization. They are easy to integrate into your Python projects and come with extensive documentation and community support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced data scientist, these libraries provide the flexibility and functionality needed to build robust preprocessing pipelines efficiently.
Evaluating the effectiveness of your preprocessing steps is essential to ensure that your NLP models are performing optimally. This involves analyzing the impact of preprocessing on your model's performance and identifying areas for improvement. By measuring key metrics, you can adjust your preprocessing pipeline as needed to achieve the best results. Continuous evaluation ensures that your models remain effective and capable of handling diverse and complex datasets. As we wrap up, let's recap the key techniques we've covered: tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, lemmatization, handling punctuation, and text normalization. Mastering text preprocessing is critical for building efficient NLP models. We encourage you to apply these techniques in your projects and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others interested in NLP. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into advanced NLP techniques. Thank you for watching.